Been driving around for like an hour now, looking for anything to look at. This pile sucked the last time they had it, and it's probably already been picked, but let's see what we got. Yeah, look at all these footprints. Do you want some wolves? I sure do. We'll take that. Please pick up my cone. Where's the other cone? All right. I don't think I was supposed to do that. I don't know. Can't live without that. Wow, this pile is awful. What's this thing? I don't know what that is. I don't want to know. Umbrellas. It's not raining. I'll leave that cord for someone else. Car's locked. Look at these two puppies. What do you say, fellas? Oh, and look at this. I gave the kid at the gas station a $2 tip, and in exchange, he kept my gas cap. Thanks, kid. Welcome to trash picking. I'm so bored that I'm gonna go cut this cord without showing you their address, of course. And I found my cutters. Where can that go? In there? Hey, look what I did. I left my buckets in the trunk from before. I guess that means that if we find a lot of stuff, we'll be in big trouble. Ask me if I think that's gonna happen, though. We are finding nothing today. But this thing's interesting. Wow. I don't know what we could do with that, but maybe we could do something. Do we need another milk crate? Of course. Oh, we don't need a broken one though. And do we need that thing? I don't think we need this, but I think that just the fact that they took the time to make it, like, we should be nice enough to honor it, to honor their efforts by not letting it go to the dump. Look at these two dudes doing their thing, right? Now each guy has a pet dog, or each dog has a pet guy. These things, I don't know. These take a lot of space. That one ain't gonna open. That one's got the key. Yeah, I don't think those are really worth taking. I don't know. If I had a much bigger car, maybe I would take them, but you got to be careful with that stuff. Let's see. Got a trunk full of buckets and a handful of gloves. Wow, look at this crazy sink. Oh, God, that's a 100-pound sink. All right. We are not getting that sink while holding the camera. So we can, like greasy gloves, disgusting. We can move our buckets out of the way, and I'll put this in the bucket for now. All right, that may have been the heaviest sink I ever lifted. I put all the sink junk in here. And now we will grab these little tidbits. Had to take my bike rack down and everything. This thing's usually a little hard to thread in because it's so like rusty. Let me see if we can do it together. Why won't the hole align? That's weird. There you go. Maybe. Sort of. All right, the buckets still aren't a problem yet. Last time we were at this house, we found a really nice set of Klein pliers. Think we'll find another set? Ew, rat traps. Let's see. I don't know. This stuff doesn't really cost much in the store, but springtime's coming. Maybe we'll have to edge a garden at some point. All right, garbage bag. There's nothing in there. That might be an address label. We're finding a lot of trunks tonight. Wow, I could fit inside this one. I'll mail myself home. I'm mildly disappointed that we didn't find any more Klein tools, but there's always next month. The sun's going down, we ain't found nothing. What's this? It's got that like orange look, so you think it's Le Creuset, but it's just Rachel Ray. Listen, no offense to Rachel Ray. I'm sure she makes some nice soup. Oh, it's Santa Claus. Peace on Earth. That's aluminum. Yeah. All right. That made a lot of noise, so let's get out of here before they're like, hey, you're making a mess. Some guy's breaking stuff in the street. I gotta learn how to get out of my car better. It's such a struggle. All right, do we want some weird old toolboxes? Oh yeah, you know we do. Where do you think they put all the weird old tools? Another picker just drove by and gave me a big smile. All right, do we want this stupid thing? Oh, we want that. Hells yeah. Is that a thumbnail? It was Halloween in winter. You know, a friend of mine was asking me what a thumbnail is. Because I guess he's not as much of a YouTube junkie as I am. But the thumbnail is that thing right there. What do you think? Yeah, we'll take it. It's like I can keep opening and closing my door, or I can get my feet wet in the snow. All right. What's in here? Oh. Is that a bag of nickels? Yeah, plastic ones. All right, we don't want this thing. We definitely want that thing. Check it out. Okay, thank you. All right, thanks. Whoa. That guy said, thanks for lightening my load. Because apparently you can only put out a certain number of items at a time in this town. I don't know if anyone really adheres to that. But basically by me taking all this crap now, he could throw out some more stuff later. This thing, I don't know. You know what? I don't like it, but it is pretty heavy. And even though it's wintry, it could be easily painted to be summery. So in summary, we'll take the damn thing. So this is nice. This adds a new element to picking in this town. So like, now I'm sort of doing people a favor, because I hit the reset button on his garbage pile. Oh, that's the title of the video, you know it. I hit the reset button on his garbage pile. Come on. 467 people will watch that, right? I can't wait till summer. Because it stays light longer. It doesn't get so dark. Alright, let's check this out. Damn. That is so cool. Happy Halloween. It's heavy as heck too. I'm not even kidding, this thing probably weighs 10 pounds. Oop, it's gonna roll down and hit the street. Don't want to break them. And look at the puppies. Who's the puppy dogs? How about that? Some love. We found love in the garbage. And art. Yeah. You can't live without love, but you can live without art. Alright, let's see what's down here. Coat hangers. And a subwoofer. Is that good? Should we take that? No, we never take those. Alrighty. We got high beams and a headlight, so if there's anything here, go and grab it. What do you think? Basket? I bet these are empty. Oh, God. Is that one of the ones you can't open? No, that's not empty. Not empty. Alright, so we got DVDs and a basket. So that'll be keeper number 1. I don't really want to make these people mad, but let's see. Kind of like a crappy leather pocketbook. Is that a Coach bag? I don't know the difference. Does that say Coach in there anywhere? Alright, I'll tie that back up right now. Let's see what we got here. I don't need to make any crepes. I don't need to make any Scrabbles. Alright, trophies. We don't need trophies. Wow, that sucks. Like, those 2 boxes were all trophies. Another matching basket. Take that to go with our other matching basket. And want some Cub? What the hell is Cub? Sure. It looks like a scam. It's like some wood blocks, but they carved one of them so it looks like a castle. So it's like, hey, give us $50 for this worthless box of lumber. Because one piece looks like a chess piece. Is that what that is? Is that just a ripoff, or is that like a legitimate thing? All right, where do we put the Cub? There. Alrighty then. Wow, look at how long these handles are. I thought this was going to be a struggle, but it's a pleasure. Ugh. Dagnabbit. Stupid basket. Alright, compelling footage, of course. Check this out that I found earlier. Kind of a cool little typewriter. I screwed up the footage on this. I didn't actually record it. But that's neat, right? This lady usually has a few fun tidbits. Wow. It's a lot of footprints. Are they picker footprints or the lady's footprints? Wow. The Red Devil scraper. Yeah, I don't think I need old scrapers or this basketball. You knew that was gonna happen. Oh, look who made this basketball. Oh my god, it's almost worth taking just for that. Wish I could have like 10 different titles for these videos. I mean, are you trying to tell me that wouldn't be a great title for a video? We found Larry Bird's basketball in the trash. That'd get a lot of clicks. My goodness, my Guinness. I gotta be real frantic as I dig through here. Not really. Something in there. Ooh, the Fowl Market in Dundalk. Cullen Boy Giftwood is a very small company operating from a cottage. All right. Coat hangers. Candles. I like candles. More coat hangers. Pots and pans. Crock pot and like a little baby crock pot. Oh, I like that. Ice bucket. All right. I don't know. Bubble wrap. I think like 50 people have probably been through these boxes already today. Look how empty they are. Yeah, you know, I guess we are the why do I want that? I don't know. I don't. Yeah, we're the losers on this pile. It's so sad. I like people who work on their own cars. These people work on their own cars. This maybe isn't the first time I've been to this house over the years. Check it out. We haven't found any brake rotors in a while. At least not tonight. So that was nice. Oh, I hate it when this happens. I got out of the car because I thought this was going to be copper pipe, but it's just broomsticks. You want to take this aluminum though? I'm not super hot on aluminum. Especially these like gross shower surrounds when I don't have on a glove. Where we're gonna put it? Two more short ones. Drive around like that. All right. These long ones will probably have to go in the passenger cabin. Unless we put them in the pipe bender. That's one good thing about aluminum, it's pretty brittle. You know, there are guys who will actually sit here and take the frames off of these glass doors just for the scrap aluminum. All right. Anything in here we can't live without? Yeah, we can live without all that crap. All right, I think we'll do like one more clip, find something good, close the video out. It's almost 8 o'clock.
Is this gonna be the last one?
I don't know, maybe. My headlight's getting dim. Well, it's a chandelier of some sort. And it's made of metal of some sort. You know, I think we're gonna keep looking. I don't think that's exciting enough for us right now. Actually, maybe it is. Does it have a name on it or anything? Because here's the little doohickeys that go on it. Whole box of fancy doohickeys. What do you think? Think I need a brighter headlight. All right, I think we're gonna take it, but I don't think this is gonna be our last clip. Gotta be something more exciting in our future than this stupid thing. What's going to be exciting is trying to get this in the car with all the junk we already have in there. Wow, that wasn't so exciting, was it? What would be exciting is if these fell out of the box and went all over the street. But that would be exciting in a bad way. All right, we got to keep going. We'll find something. Want to look at another chandelier? Ooh. That's nice. It feels like brass too. That thing's like crap though. All right. Do you guys want to know if it's brass or not? All right, I won't leave you hanging. You want some combos? Yeah, I can't help you with that. Sorry. Where'd I put the magnet? Oh, it's in my pocket. That's the remnants of my old magnet. Anyway, what do you think? See? It's either brass or stainless. Doesn't stick. Cool. Still not a good enough thing to end the video on, though. All right. I think we found our last pile of the night. And I might have to be kind of quiet because it's like 11 o'clock. So, what do we got here? Ooh, we got a giant glass jug thing. Look at that. I do not want to break that. So cool. See, good thing I picked up that styrofoam earlier that I didn't show you the footage of. Let's see. I don't know what that is. Manhattan Magazine. No, we don't want that. I like the garbage can. The vase we could live without. How about that garbage can? No. Ooh. Cutters. Want some Kleenexes? That's gross. I wonder if I could use that to like prevent me from making messes when I work on my cars. Maybe. We could always use another broom. That one's kind of effed up. I don't know. Nah, I'll leave it alone. And yeah, some food. Let's see what we got. Want some sugar? Pour some sugar on me. And that's about it. What do you think? Is that going to help me or harm me? All right, we'll take the garbage can. So I guess that's the end of our night. And considering the weather, the snow and the cold, I'm actually kind of shocked that we found this great load. Like that beautiful big tub that I just found. Toolboxes, the pumpkin, all kinds of junk tonight. Nothing's really worth anything. The huge sink in the trunk. None of this is like real valuable crap, but considering the weather, I'll take it. And I guess that's it. I mean, like and subscribe if you want, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.